Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay guys, so this is my first time making a tortilla omelet and I'm going to be using some smoked sausage, so come on with me guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so when you're making an omelet, which is what we're going to start out doing, I just went and grabbed some smoked sausage from the fridge because that's what I had. So we're going to dice this up in small pieces. Then, of course, we love onions, so I'm going to dice the onions up in small pieces. And we're going to be sauteing this on the stove with some butter, lots of butter. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it doesn't matter what you make. You can make a smoothie, you can make breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts. You can just throw together a peanut butter and jelly sandwich if this is what you choose to eat. Whatever it is, just record your video and upload it, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, honestly, we've even gone to restaurants and I even film and show what I buy and what we eat. So this works out really great. We're also looking for more people to join us in this collaboration. It's so much fun. And now it's grilling season, so that I'm looking for you guys. So, Quick and Easy Meals is being hosted by myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. We have Jean Home Decor and more, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Okay, so after I went ahead and diced what I was going to dice, I have 2 eggs in a bowl here and I add heavy cream. I don't use regular milk, so we use heavy cream in this house. You can replace that with whatever milk product that you have if you even add it. So we put salt and pepper inside and we just scramble all of that together. I'm going to start sauteing the onions and the smoked sausage and lots of butter in a pan first. Now I did go and grab some sharp shredded cheddar cheese because I'm going to put that in my son's dish. We're making his first. Just in case we make a mistake, he has to eat it. All right, so I have to admit that this is a new dish, and I can't understand why I can't do it. If everybody else can do it, I can do it too. Okay, so we are cooking the eggs, and then we're going to put some cheese on top, and then I'm going to place a tortilla on top of that. I think what my mistake is that I'm covering it. I don't know. Let's see what happens. So I did want to go and flip this over and have the camera on, but honestly, that was not a good idea. So I flipped this over and I was right. I was supposed to keep it uncovered and then flip it onto the other side so that the tortilla part can get crispy. But it's okay because it tasted delicious anyway, and my son absolutely loved it. So this is what it's looking like. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I think this looks absolutely amazing. And I hope that you guys do too. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.